If you have a spare room or are going away on holiday, you can rent out your entire property or a single room as a short term rental. You can rent this space on platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com to instantly access a large market of short term renters, holidays makers, and business people. And it's relatively easy to set up an account. They will even insure your property for up to $1 million in damages. To get started, you need to create an account and list your property, your room for rental, and the periods it's available. You will need to provide a detailed subscription, photos, and set pricing. Look at other properties similar in the local area to get an average price. Getting bookings on short-term rental platforms is all about photos and reviews. So, make sure you have professional photos of your property. Some platforms will do this for you and set your price at the lower end of average to get bookings. Those who all important positive reviews. You can increase the pricing later on to market average or beyond based on occupancy. Bear in mind, short-term rental platforms do charge commission. If you don't want to pay these fees, you can also set up a website and booking system using WordPress or another CMS. A little bit more complex, but no booking fee. In terms of marketing for your booking website, you all will want to focus on gaining relevant search ranking through content or using PPC to target searches for terms relevant, that is London holidays,